Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna turn up the render distance so you can see that we're pretty close to the stone pillar that was over. I think it's over here. Yeah, you can see it barely over there. But I found this really cool place. It's on top of a mountain, and now that I've got my shovel, I'm just gonna make it all even. Just make it all level. Give myself a platform to build on, so I can make an amazing house, and it'll be amazing. And house. Probably gonna be a lot of cuts to this, so it can look better. And I've organized the stuff from things I'm going to use for building the house and things I'm going to use for other stuff. And if I still have any coal. Get a little charcoal. Just make a little charcoal with these trees, so I can finish molding that clay and have myself. Jump. Gosh. One deeper so I can make a platform that's, I think I'll make it 20 by 20. Kind of just the boring part. I think I'll just do this. So off camera, I just made pretty much the base of the house. It was 12 by, I believe, 18. And I'm just gonna fill all this in with dark oak planks. And wait, how high? I'm gonna make it go up. Go up 1, 2, 6. Make it go up 15. 6, 4, 3. Yep. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm gonna cut this. $16. Oh, I just realized that was really silent. And I did not make any noise. And I was just Focus. Gotta make the outline. And I'm almost out of dark oak, so I'll need to get some more of that. Boy, I'm really focusing on building this house because I want it to look perfect. And it needs to look good. And then boop boop. And then let's just do this. Light it up. Yeah. Man, I like it. Oh. Did I make it 17? Really? Ow. I need to find some sheep so I can make my spawn. Failure building. Professional. Okay. Almost broke this iron axe. Okay, the exoskeleton will almost be complete. Then we'll have to get some more materials in order to prepare. Oh, I gotta turn on my render distance. It's kind of turning. Just need 14. There you go. That's a pretty big increase. Shovel's almost broken as well. Clutch. Come on, that gotta be the last one. Oh, this is awkward. Alright, so my wonderful base operation. Do. Lovely. Beep, 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 beep. I should chop this. For my people. Dun dun dun. Ow. Dun. Oh, the struggle. Humans. Yeah, I should get more saplings from that. Gotta kind of make it easier to access my house. Judging on the way sun's coming up. That's cool. Look at all that. I like the... My house has views of a... What's that cobble? Oh, it's one of those weird things. So you got forests all around me, cows below me. I think I've got like, this place has a lot of potential, because I like building high so you can just fart. Yes, 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 yes. That was incorrect. Break on the axe. Come on, go round and round. Skip, 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 break. Really? The axe is gonna break? There you go. Take advantage of this. Make some jumps. Parkour. Swig, swig. Pip, 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 pip. Up. Four. And then 6. So it'll be right there. Okay. Boop. There you go. Not sure. But time to lay the foundation. And that's day, don't need to worry about these torches being here. Crack the neck, get to work, pause the vid. Whew, whew. All I gotta say is, this is looking hot. And if I can't get up to my house, okay, gonna need to make an iron axe, and I need to get chopping. Chip, 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 tally-o. Ouch, my legs. There go my legs. I think I'm just gonna gather some. Call that an episode.